Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. Today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta. We want to get the radio out. So from memory, I'm going to need my trusty 4140 Pry Tool and a 7mm socket with a right angle. We'll see if I've got this right. So we're going to pop the top panel up first, and there should be about 6 clips. And we're going to try and release those without damaging anything else. They should just pry up nice and easy. Well, I can feel that one going. Two. Three. This one at the front is being a little bit stubborn. Absolutely being stubborn. It should just pop straight up and out. There we go. Okay. 4 clips on that one. No problem. Alright, so we do need a Phillips screwdriver, which I'll get in a second, but there are 2 7mm right there, which we need to remove. And we have 2 Phillips screws there. So we'll undo those. And I believe that is everything, and this should just pop forward now. Most likely with a little bit of gentle encouragement from our Pry Tool. Sure there's nothing in there. And there we go. Okay, with that nice and loose, there is a plug underneath. Grey one. So there's a black one. Plug on there, clips into here, and I squeezed that and it popped out. And that should give us access to a radio. Now it's not common for a radio to be not physically screwed in the dash when it's got a fascia on it, but in Ford's case that's exactly what they did. We have 3 plugs in the back, remove those, 1, 2, 3, and we are done. One radio, one fascia, ready to go.